Madam, how are you today?
Where are you from?
I'm from Ndeje.
You are in Indeje. Just here in Namasuba.
Yes, yes.
So you need to be in the event tomorrow. We are having a mini event, a meetup tomorrow on Bombo Road. The hotel is called Jeriza Hotel, and the hotel is Jeriza Hotel. It is just opposite Ruby's. Ruby's is a filling station which is near on Bombo Road before you get to Bat Valley. That Ruby's filling station, they are just opposite it. The Jeriza Hotel is there. That's where we are going to be. We are going to have members training in the morning. Then we shall also have the guests presentation. If you have friends, invite them. Let them come and see, get to know about what we are doing. Tomorrow, please. If you have a friend, the friend has been asking you questions about the business, about this and that, let them come tomorrow. Let them come tomorrow. We give a thorough explanation and we shall also answer their questions in order that it will even save you from answering very many questions from your friends. So I urge each and everyone who is around Kampala, please be there tomorrow. Don't come alone. Come in the morning for the members training, but make sure that you invite at least a friend, 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If 11 of us, all of us, come, we invite two friends like this, we shall be having 22 guests. Just imagine if we have 22 guests in the room just from us. Then the others will just add on to what we shall be doing. My name is Harriet. Let's go and see the new features on the Royalq application. On the Royalq application, and let me get my pen. And I'm also going to share my screen. I'm very sure we are already live. You can even tell your friends that we are already live. We are already live. Akoda Felix, happy to see you. We are already live on our YouTube channel. For those ones who cannot attend the live presentation that I'm doing here, they can go to the YouTube channel. It's already there. It's already streamlining. Okay, I'm sharing my screen, and then I show you how sweet this Royalq robot has become. Okay, I'm sure you can see my screen. You can see my screen. But before I do that, today morning, every Thursday at night, we always get a market update, international market update. Let me just give you a little bit of it. Yesterday we did not have it, but I just want to let you know, just if not months, BTC has done absolutely nothing than just scaring newbies. Newbies means new members in the crypto space. I want to let you, new person, don't be scared of the situation we are right now. The situation we are right in now, it is called bullish with the patience. In other words, patience, it is the only thing that is going to make you win as we are heading to the bull run. But despite the market being boring, we remain very bullish and believe we are close to the euphoric bull period. The bull run that we are looking at, by the way, it is already on, but people want to see that big pump, that strong pump in most coins. It's what people are looking for, and we are just close to it. And for now, we are staying patient and capitalizing on opportunities as they present themselves. What are some of the opportunities? Now we have a robot. This is the time for you to talk to your friends about this wonderful robot, such that when they hire it and they use it during the bull run, they are going to be making money, and you are also going to be making money. A new all-time high of 86,700 is where we are heading next. It is coming, and once we hit 70,000, it's going to be a whole new game change. Okay, we are all going to make it. Stay rocked in. Sweet moves are coming soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't panic at all. Let me show you where the new all-time high we are expecting it to be in the BTC. The new all-time high. So far, the all-time high we are having, we can see it vividly when we go to Binance. Let's go to Binance and and we see it. The all-time high, the one which is happening right now. We want to see it. Where are we? I click on the BTC. Then I want to get that information. When you click on a coin, just go to info here. Just go to info there. When you click there, then it is going to give you the information about a coin that you are looking at. One, the market cap for Bitcoin is now 1.17 trillion. Its market cap, the total amount of money which is in BTC, it is 1.17 trillion. Whereas what is diluted in the market, it is 1.2. It is 1.2. Then market dominance, it is dominating the market by 56%, whereas out of the maximum supply, maximum coins that were made by Nakamoto Satoshi, that is 21 million, 19.75 million is already in circulation. Is already in circulation. Okay, it is already in circulation. This coin went on, it was issued on 1st of November 2008, whereas right now it is number one. Its rank is number one. Okay, Bitcoin is ranked number one, and its all-time high, which it made on 14th of March this year, it was 73,750. Okay, 73,750. Whereas the all-time high, the lowest that it has ever gone, it was in 2010 when it went to $0.0486. Okay, so that is the information you should be having, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, you should be having that information. Or even when you click down here, you can get more information, and then you read about a coin. Okay, you read about a coin. I think we need this information. Let me take a screenshot of it. Then I post it. So, ladies and gentlemen, the all-time high is 73,750. But we are expecting to have a new all-time high soon. As soon as you see it hitting 70,000, just know we are heading upwards. Okay, just know that the time for rocking the world, for rocking the air, for doing everything, it is going to happen. So I want us to first look at and see the new all-time high we are eyeing. The new all-time high we are eyeing. Friends, am I loud and clear? I see my network is not all that stable because of the weather. I think the weather is not the best. I think the weather is not so. Friends, am I loud and clear? Put for me a thumbs up if I am loud and clear. Can you say I am loud and clear? Then others, I see other people have joined in. David Gonda, I see Wanga Axofeli Patrick, he has put up his hand. Muni is here. Muni, I see your hand up. Do you want to say something? Akora, I see your hand is up. Do you want to say something? Or you were just giving me a thumbs up? Oh, they were giving me a thumbs up. Okay. Good. More people on the Zoom that I'm seeing. I see Mananu. I see Atwijukire. I see Bernard. I see Mr. Livingstone and others. And who is this one? Lubega. I've seen, and everyone who is here. Happy to have you. Now let's continue. Today I'm just going to look at the new, this trading is not opening. We shouldn't waste much of our time there. Let's go to the Royalq. Let's go to the Royalq. I'm going to say this again. Always, every time you wake up, friends, always come and click all these lines. Get the new information, get always the new what? The new information and the new announcement that the Royalq is making on a daily basis, please. On a daily basis, please. Always check them. Now there is this information that has come, and it has been. It is saying MEXC doesn't support BLAST, CKD, CVX, ELF, MAGA, STPT, WIN, MAX4 API trading, which means for us, if you are using MEXC, these coins, these pairs, you are not going to trade them because MEXC does not support them with the API trading. So if you are using in Royalq, and then maybe they have given a signal about these ones, please don't do them. Don't go for them because this one said due to recent adjustments by MEXC in their API supported cryptocurrencies, the following currencies are no longer supported. So Royalq will delist them because if they are not being supported with their API, then Royalq, there is no need Royalq of being with them. Meaning, it is Royalq which is going to delist them from the list. Okay, it is MEXC which is going to delete them. I mean, Royalq is going to delete them from the list that the list of pairs that MEXC has. Meaning, it doesn't mean that these coins are going to be delisted in MEXC. They will stay there in MEXC, but they will not be supported for API trading that we are doing with Royalq. Hoping that one is very understandable. If it is understandable, let me go to another thing. We have new feature updates. Today morning, we woke up when Royalq had given us new updates, and they are here today on 30th. And they are saying, dear Royalq users, to provide users with a better trading experience, Royalq has optimized the following features. 1, disable buy for coins to be delisted. We have had a challenge, and we kept on reporting. We kept on reporting that there are people who can be having a trade, and then someone forgets about the trade, and then the announcement for delisting comes, and then someone doesn't know. Someone is not seeing, but someone is still having some money for buying margin calls because the moment they announce delisting, coins drop. So people's robots keep on buying and buying more and more and more and more. Now, Royalq has given us an opportunity that they have introduced a feature whereby the moment that feature you put it on and it is on, the moment the coin is announced to be delisted, it stops the margin calls there and then. There and then. Then another thing, we are going to see it down there. It is saying to prevent continuous buying after an exchange announces the delisting of a coin. We have added the feature. We have added this feature. The system HTX and then CRPT for those ones who are using HTX. Also seeing FNSA, I see ANT in HTX, and then AI from KuCoin. Then rally is going to be removed from futures trading and so on and so forth. So always come to these news, these announcements and read them. Get to know about them. Get to know what they are saying, okay? Get to know about what they are saying so that you be in the know. Now they have told us that if you want to put that information, if you want to tell your to tell your robot that if a coin is going to be delisted, please don't try again. Just come here. Okay, this thing, as it was just put that those 4 boxes. At first, they had only show statistics. Okay, it has the only show statistics, but now these days, now in the new feature, then we have show statistics, we have show statistics, we have hide position details, and then we have pin coins to be delisted. Okay, so if you agree with them, then you can as well just click save. Okay, you can click save. Meaning hide position. Now hide statistics. Show statistics is when you put it off. Let me first explain. When you say show statistics, when it is on, it means you see the total amount of money that you have put that is in the market. The total amount of money that the robot has used so far, it shows the number of coins that you are trading, it shows the total profit that you have made that day. And out of what is your investment in the trades, this is the floating loss. Whereas down here, the money which is still not used, it is always shown, it is exclusive of this. Okay? I go away from there. Now, when you say that, I don't want you to show statistics, and then you switch it off, then you save. When you save, it will go away. You will not be seeing. You will not be seeing. Another thing, when you say hide position, okay? Before, when you don't say, no, when you don't want to hide the positions, this is what it's showing. Each and every trade is showing you how much money is in it, the average price, the unrealized profit and loss, and then the position quantity. And the positioning quantity. And then it shows you the margin call is on. Then it is showing you how it is moving up or down. It is showing you all those things. But when you say that, hide the position details and you save, this is what it is going to do. It is just going to show you that your trade is this. It is in one shot. It is in sub-bin mode. The margin calls are on, and then the realized, unrealized profits, they are here, or losses. It is just going to minimize all the details, and it is just going to show you what you are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you have others, and then only minimized, and then it is going to be showing you only minimize the information. It is not going to give you more details. That is if you say that hide position details. But when you say I don't hide, and maybe you say show statistics, I want to be seeing my statistics, please save. The moment you save, you will be seeing them again, and then you'll be seeing the details of your trades again. Friends, are you following? Are you learning? Have you seen that one so that I can as well continue? Nyaiti, David Gonda, Ronald, and then I'm seeing Hassan Wine, then Saint Saddam, and Akola Felix, and the others. They are saying they have seen it, and then they have understood it. So, always for the safety of your, I go back. Then again, these 4 boxes, they have another feature. They have another feature which was added, and this feature this time round is pin coins to be delisted. Pin coins to be delisted. So when you click it, when you switch it on and you save, it means when you go to the list of coins, in case there is a coin that is going to be delisted, in case there is a coin which is going to be delisted, you will see it. You will see it. For now, because I am using Binance, and I think there isn't any coin to be delisted for now in Binance. Let me see. Is it Matic? A coin which is going to be delisted, you see, it is marked. You see, it is marked. It is marked. We have been seeing these ones when we go to Binance, and then we are in Binance in the spot wallet, and then you are perusing through the list of coins. You could see it, but now this time round we can see it while we are in Royalq. Okay. Okay, let me try another. Let me try another exchanger. Let me see. Let me see. HTX was saying what? Which one was it saying? If we go to HTX, we can see ant. Okay, there is ant. There is matic. Okay, so such that if they give a signal, maybe if they happen to give a signal about, you will trade it at your own risk. But the Royalq will have told you that this one, such that you don't fall a victim. Where are the coins here? They have never been added. Let me add them. Okay, I have added them. They are here. They are here. Let me see if I can find one which is going to be delisted. I'm in the Maxi. I haven't seen any. Haven't seen any so far. We are still looking, okay? We are still looking. There is also Venom. Can you imagine Venom of Sagwa? So in Maxi, I'm not seeing for now. Let me try KuCoin. Let me try KuCoin. Let me see if I can find one in KuCoin. There is Matic. Maybe others, they will come one by one. At some point, we shall find them. Let me see. Okay, X. Okay, X. Please put off. No need for adding. Oh, they are here. Yeah, I was wondering how. They are here. I think it was network challenge. Now I can see they are here. They are here. They are here. What is to be delisted? I'm not seeing, but you will go on checking and checking and checking. You will find some of them. Okay, I've seen Luwega Maka putting up a hand. Please first ask before I continue to another feature. I saw someone putting up a hand, please. No one is having a hand? Okay. So the one who had put the ones that I am using. And no need to fall a victim of a coin going to be delisted. And yeah, now that one is there. what next? That feature, we are done with that. Okay? We are done with that feature. We are done with this feature. Tujimaze okugiraba. Let's look at another feature. Let's look at another feature. Let's look at another feature. We go to our announcement. We go to our announcement. We go to our announcement. Also, when you are setting a trade, you are in your details of settings and so on and so forth. They have added something new, which is here. Prevent buy if the listing is imminent. So it will not, if that button is on, it will not buy it. Okay? It will not buy it. It will not buy it. It will just leave it. Let us try it out. Let's get a certain, let's say we are going to trade SCE. We want to trade SCE. By the way, it is a good one. I'm seeing a golden cross here. I'm seeing a golden cross here happening. And then when we go to the technical indicator, it is saying buy, because I told you people we are buying when we are in a strong buy, up to buy. When it is neutral, please don't buy. Okay, don't buy. And then when we continue down here, it is around 56. This is a new thing I want to let you know. Every time you find that the technical indicator, the RSI, it is between 30 and 60, please just enter that trade. You find that the RSI here, it is between 30 and 50, between 30 and 60, or even 65 around there. But 60 is good. Just enter the trade and buy. Okay? When you find it is in 70, it is in 80, please don't. Please don't. It will be heading to sell. It will be heading to sell. So you are to buy. If you are to use this RSI, friends, it is a good tool to use, by the way. It is a good tool. First of all, you are checking on a certain coin. Look at the what? Look at the RSI up here. What is it doing? This one I am forcing a golden cross. The yellow one is crossing above. And then when you look at the candles, they are also giving you, if you know how to use candle patterns, if you know how to use the Bollinger Band, it is also a good one. It is a good trade. Then come down here and check. On the technical indicator, this meter here, always buy a coin when it's saying strong buy or buy. The moment it goes to neutral, please don't. Because when it goes to neutral, you don't know whether it is going to sell or it is going to the buy side. You don't know whether it is still going up or it is going to drop. Okay? And then after that, continue coming down to the moving averages and check what is the RSI saying. The moment you find that the RSI is between 30 and 60, just enter that trade. Current price, take 3%. Take a 3%, get out of the market, and then create. Then if you are to create a trade here, let's say we have seen it is in buy, then you say it is in 56, I want to set a trade. Create. Next. When I click next, when I go to the trade settings and I got manually created settings, first of all, they also put for us the strategy mode is no longer now. You can set it as you are setting your trade, and then you click here, you get them. There are 3. Whole warehouse, sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. If you want it sub-bin real-time settlement, set it from here exactly. AI margin call, let it be off. Then you can do your other settings. Then here, prevent buy if the listing is imminent. If you are sure that it is not going, you are not skeptical of that coin, please switch it off. If you are not sure, please switch it on. When you switch it on, the robot will not buy if this coin is going to be delisted. And it will not buy any more margin calls. The moment it detects and you left this switch on, and the other switch that we saw in the beginning. Then as you are setting, and then you are setting, you can also come and then say advanced settings. They put for us more advanced settings. If you have to use the RSI, they are going to ask you, what are you going to, you are setting with what? Then it is advanced setting. There is a strategy period. You can say maybe cycle or what? Or one shot.
One shot.
Yes, it can be one shot or what? Or cycle. You can as well do that. You can say, I want cycle. If it is cycle, it will give you more options. Some of the options, one of them, margin call switch, is it on or it is off? You should set it for while you are doing your settings here. Then the trigger price, it is optional. If you have a trigger price, you have a preset price that you want to buy at, you can put it there. Or before we do that, we can as well say what is in the trigger price. What are they saying? Okay, I want you to look at this. For those ones who are setting using the RSI, you want to use the RSI. I've told you, the meter should be between 30 and 60. Between 30 and 60. Then in the next thing, when you go to the meter, the meter should be saying strong buy or buy. But the best trade to enter or you are not scared at all. It is when it is in the strong buy. And if you have to use the RSI, I want to urge you, I want to comment that let your trade be one shot. Yes, of course, even cycle will work, but let it be one shot. Let it be one shot. Because we are using the RSI, this trade it is going up. So if you leave it in cycle, it will go up and then it will buy higher after it has sold. So let your trade be in one shot. It buys around 50, around 70, it sells, it gets out. Then you can look for another one. Okay. So if you are to set using the RSI, when you come here at trigger price here, this arrow is showing you that there are other options. You say, I want to set my trade using the RSI. I want to set my trade using KDJ. It is a moving average. It is an indicator. You can say, I want to set my trigger price according to the MACD. Now, if you want RSI, you click on RSI. When you click on RSI and you have chosen RSI, it is going to give you more details. I mean, more options. The RSI ranks, it is having 6, 12, and 24. What does that mean? When you say 6, it means you want to see when there are 6 candles going down. Then on the 6th, then it buys from there. If you put 12, then it will wait for 12 candles going down. Then it will buy. If you say 24, it will wait for 24 candles going down. Remember, you are setting this in a 15 minutes time frame. Okay? If you have to use this RSI or Nyumira Bulungi, set it in 15 time frame. Okay, 15 minutes. I'll show them to you where they are. Okay? With this one, leave it in 6 time frame. Yes, it is here. Time frame. Leave it in 15. It does not change. Okay? And now come to the condition. People say, I set using the RSI, but this robot is not buying at all. It is not buying at all. And time has gone. It is not buying because you left the condition in oversold. Yet now we are saying you do enter the trade when it is in a strong buy. So now for you, it is in a strong buy, and then for you want it to buy when it is in oversold. The season where we are right now, the coins, it is difficult. It is difficult now for them to go in the oversold area. The season where we are right now. You are going to see if you are following the RSI, even if the one for the trading view. It is now very rare to see a coin going in the oversold area. Oversold area, that is below the 10 line. That is the lower band of the RSI in the trading view. If they are moving, they move, and then the RSI ends around 30 there before it reaches, or even at 20, then it goes back. 30, 20, and then it goes back. It is rare now these days, the season where we are, for the coin to go in the oversold area now. So if you leave the condition to be in the oversold, it will not buy now. It will take long without buying. Now, what are you going to put? You put greater than. Put greater than. And then signal value, put 30. Signal value, put 30. Okay, put 30. After you have done that, add RSI conditions. No. This one, what is it doing? Now, I think we had to. Yes, we have added them. We have added them. They are here. Advanced settings cycle, you can say one shot. I say leave it in one shot. And then RSI, the 15 minutes, then we have done that one. Then you can say RSI condition 2. That was our condition 1. If you have another condition, you can also put it there. So
it has gone back to oversold. It has gone back to oversold.
I beg your pardon. Now this was our first condition.
It has gone back to oversold.
No, I'm saying there are two conditions. We have condition 1 that we gave. Okay, and then this one is condition 2. So you can also come on the condition 2 and then you do the same, change greater than and then 30. Have you seen it? So if you have seen that, one shot, leave it in one shot. Why? Because by the time it has sold, it will be high. Remember, we are entering the trade when it is between 30, okay? When it is between 30 and 60. So if we have entered it when it is around 57, it means it is going to move as it reaches around 70. It is high, and we already said that it is good not to exceed 90, not to exceed 90 of the RSI of the trading view, okay? Of the trading view. So if you put it in cycle and then it is sells your 3% reaches when it is around 75%, 75 of the RSI, of the stochastic RSI, and now it buys around 70. Then by the time it reaches 90, it is around 2%, then it drops. So leave it in one shot. Have you understood that one? After you have done your things, then save. After you have saved it, saved, it will ask you, do you want to save this? Are you sure? Yes, I am very sure. And also, then it has saved. Then you can activate your trade.
Why are we using two conditions?
Why are we using conditions? It is there. I found it there.
Why are they two?
Now that one I've not yet understood why they are two. All, let us read. Always, this robot always has information. This dot here, this exclamation mark is always giving information. Let us read what is condition 2. RSI condition 2, the system will execute in sequence. Once the first condition is met, it will continue to monitor the second condition. When the second condition is also met, the system will trigger a buy.
Okay.
Have you understood me? So which means as the first condition is all the conditions, all the terms and conditions you have put in the first condition, if they are met, it doesn't buy it there and then. It has to wait for another time to be sure that for sure this is it. That's why there is the second condition. So what you do, just leave the first condition the same as the second condition. Let it be the same, such that it doesn't take much time to buy if those conditions are met. Have we understood, friends?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So you can leave one hour. So this one was add. When I clicked add, then it brought a new one, a second one. But I think you can leave one. Because when I click on add, it brings another second, the second condition. So if you don't click on it, it will not have it. You people, this robot is hey, this robot is getting sweeter, better, and simpler, and it is making things so simple for us, such that even someone who doesn't know much will at least use it. And then you save. After saving, if you are to start the trade, you start your trade. Real-time settlement now these days, you don't need to first come to the box. No, you set it while you are in the trading when you are doing the settings, and as simple as that. Which other condition that I have not looked at? Let us look at it. Another. Let's look at another. Let's look at another. Another what? Another. Let's look at another. I've told you, I want to repeat this. If you are to use the meter, make sure that the best trade to enter when it is in a strong buy. When it is in a strong buy. Okay? Because when you just go with buy and buy is almost getting finished, you don't know whether it is heading to the sell or it is continuing to the strong buy. Okay? You don't know. So we look for a coin which is in the strong buy to be on the safe side. If you are just going to use the RSI alone, leaving alone those other people who can use other indicators, and then you use other, you make a decision after looking at other indicators. So if you are to use the RSI alone, always look for a candle which is in strong buy. And where are you going to get those candles? I mean, where are you going to get those coins which are in the strong buy? The formula is simple. The formula is simple. When you come to a list of coins, got those ones with the biggest negatives. Now, don't take the one with the biggest negative. Continue moving. Find those ones that have just gotten into green. Those ones that have just gotten into green. Okay? Those ones who are in around -0 red, and then those ones who have just gone into green, these ones here. These ones, they are the best when you are using the RSI. These ones here. When you follow them, you will find that you will always find them when they are in the strong buy. You see, this one, it is in the strong buy. Let me see another one. Ronnie. These ones, they are in the strong buy. You see, this one can be also traded back. You see, they are in strong buy. Those ones who have just moved from negative, they have gone to green. Those ones, they are so good. They are so good. They are good. Now look at this one. It has made a golden cross. It is in the strong buy. It has made a golden cross. Someone just trades this. And you see, when we say the technical indicator is around 63, it is a good one to enter. Let's look at another one. I'm giving you a technique. Royalq is becoming so cute, even if Namaega has not given it a trade. This one has also made a golden cross. I think you can see it. The yellow is crossing to sit above the others. You see strong buy. Strong buy, technical indicator around 61. It is still tradable. Strong buy, you enter that one. By the time it goes to around 70, you have sold and you are getting out of the trade. Are we together, friends? Okay,
Very
if we are together.
Very interesting.
Yes, please.
I'm saying very interesting.
So no more hustling with the mania at a signal at time. I'm not seeing the signal on the group, but now a signal sizidaba. Just as simple as that. Get up, put in the list, got the changing in percentage. Look for the biggest negative. Now continue going down. Find those ones that have tried more than from this market. From this market, let's getting sweeter and better. You have not yet bought for them a robot. You have not yet started teaching them how trading is very simple and so cute. You people, I want to end here. Let me say bye-bye. I want to wish you a nice weekend. Tomorrow we are at Jeriza Hotel, Jeriza Hotel, still on Bombo Road, but before Bat Valley. It is opposite Ruby's filling station, Agamaftaga Ruby's on Bombo Road. Just there. We are going to be there. I see someone raising up a hand. You have to say something?
Yes, madam.
Yes, please.
Max here. I'd asked a question in chat. I think you have not responded to it.
Oh, let me see it. Can you leave the advanced settings? Leaving them how? If you are tired of them?
No, like not going into the details of settings. Huh?
Yes, you can. If you don't want to do settings using the RSI, which is in the Royalq, you don't do the advanced settings. You can remain with the normal settings we have been using.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, it is just an option for you to add on to what you have been using. If you want to use you can only go to the advanced settings if you want to use the RSI, or even you can go to the advanced settings and then you don't click. Let me see. You can go to the advanced settings and you don't click. Let me see trade settings. You can go to your settings. You can go to your settings and you don't go to the advanced options. Or when you go to the advanced options, you don't click trigger price. Okay, you don't click trigger price, you just leave your things like that. Okay, you just leave your things like that and then you save what you have put. And then you are done. Make sure the margin call switch is on. Switch off the AI margin call. Okay, this one should always be off. Leave on only this one. This one should be on, this one shouldn't be on. So that is that for today, ladies and gentlemen. And I think I have talked about all the new features. Let me see if we have finished all of them. The new features. Position hiding, I showed you that. Then strategy, hide position data, I showed you that. And what else? Also those ones. So make sure that you go and update your application. For those ones who are using iOS, it is now the version is v5.60, while for those who are using Android, it is v5.7.2. Someone was asking about v3 and v5 for Bybit yesterday on the group. So V is just version. So Bybit is moving from version 3, they have gone to version 5. So that is V3 and V5. That's what it meant. So I want to wish you a nice weekend. Let's meet tomorrow. For those ones who will be around, make sure you are there, please. Don't just, you come. Richard Chibuka is raising up his hand. What do you want to say?
What I want to know. When they give out a signal and they put drop, like for example, drop 15%. What does it mean? Does it mean that when the margin call drop shouldn't exceed that 15%?
It means that the margin calls that you are going to put, they should be covering 15%.
Maximum.
According to that signal. But you to be safe, you must account for 40%.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Thank you, Nyam.
Any other question before I go? I think we are all settled. Rachel, happy to see you here. And friends, let me say bye-bye. Let's meet again tomorrow. And yes, let's meet tomorrow. See you then. Good day.